Hi friends, this is Tirupati Reddy, Faculty of Social Studies. Today we are going to discuss a small topic, proxy war. After World War II, total world was divided into two power blocks. One is USA, another one is USSR. USA is the capitalist black, USSR is the communist black. USA is known as Western black, USSR is known as Eastern black. These two blacks were formed based on their ideology. What was the ideology of these um, two blacks? America's capitalist economy, capitalism. So here Russia's communist economy, communism. So they have rival competition between communism and capitalism. They both are trying to put end for the ideologies each other. For that, they are moving steps to to expand their ideology in third world countries. For that, aggressively they are helping third world countries. After World War, the USA and USSR, the major power blocks, started helping third world countries to make them free from their colonials. It is known as proxy war. So the competition between two blacks. In what way? To help third world countries. Why they are helping? So they wanted to expand their influence. They wanted to expand their influence in third world countries. So this rival competition is known as proxy war. At the time, American President Harry Truman. This is a fellow Harry Truman has led movements against communism. Against communism. First, this fellow made a movement in Congo. See here, Congo. This is the Congo. In Congo, Patrice Lumumba was killed by American agency CIA. This is the Congo. In this Congo, Patrice Lumumba was killed by American agency. This Patrice Lumumba was belongs to communist. So America is moving steps support the capitalist government. So, but that they killed this Patrice Lumumba in Congo. Next, Angola became government. Angola became independent in 1975. After Congo, Angola became independent with the help of America only. Next, in Latin America, Fidel Castro was removed of Fidel Castro was a communist. So in Latin America, Fidel Castro, in Cuba, Che Guevara. Che Guevara was also killed by America because Che Guevara was communist. And in Chile, Salvador Allende. See here Fidel Castro. He was also killed. This fellow Fidel Castro. And this Congo leader Patrice Lumumba. This fellow Patrice Lumumba. These all the communist leaders were killed, were removed from their governments. USA supported capitalist governments in different countries like Congo, Angola, Latin America, and Cuba, Chile. Cuba and Chile. All people they were removed, either removed or killed. This is the Latin America. This fellow Salvador. Who is this? Salvador, Allende Salvador in Chile. He was also removed by the USA government, supported capitalist government. In this way, USA moved its steps towards anti-communist. Anti-communist. Then what about USSR? How it was replied to USA? See, this is the USSR. USSR is a group of states. It is communist black, also known as Eastern Black, United Soviet Socialist Republics. At the same time, how America was expanding its influence in third world countries, same way USA also wanted to expand its influence. So it resisted Germany, Hungary, Czechoslovakia, sent its armies to resist them. And moreover, this Russia removed all unfriendly governments. As counterattack to USA, it removed unfriendly governments and installed friendly governments its member countries, helping their third world countries. In such a way, they invaded Afghanistan also. And in Afghanistan, USSR established friendly government. Okay, so sometimes it may be USSR was unsuccessful to set up a friendly governments in third world countries to helping to expand its sphere like communism. Why it is fear? Why it is USSR was failed? Because civil war. Russia civil war with the civilians. There is no support to the government to expand communism here. Civil war took place in Russia. Russia was unsuccessful. So, in such a way, now you can see even though these Americans were encouraged religious extremists in Afghanistan as counterattack to USSR. So that religious extremists are called Talibans. You know very well. Now they who made this Taliban as extremists? America. They supported in Afghanistan as counterattack to Russia. Now Taliban are against to America. They are fighting against this. USA is struggling with these Taliban only now at present. So these are the terrorists made by America to spread its capitalism, to counter-attack to communism. They created these, they encouraged, they gave funds, everything. They made this terrorism, religious extremists. They are called Talibans in Afghanistan. They became a problem to America at present. So now you have learned very clearly with examples what is proxy war means. After World War, between two world blocks were formed, USA, USSR. These two blocks are trying to help other third world countries to become free from their colonials aggressively. This aggressiveness of these two blocks are called proxy war. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe the my channel.